Kingdom Kitchen.
Who is God to you?
This is glory. This is a new series, Kingdom Kitchen. And today we coming with you with an excellent meal, some curry chicken, and we just gonna run some questions through and we just gonna have a good time. And join us in our kitchen and tune in.
Making curry chicken.
Mm.
I got this recipe from some Jamaican lady where I was looking at.
Okay. Have you cooked this meal before, or is this something you trying new?
Yeah, this is a regular meal.
You don't have like a specific curry powder that you like to use, or?
Before we was just using a giant fern.
Let me see. Show that. Let me see that.
But we found these. That's what the Jamaicans use.
Oh yeah, this that potent
Better
stuff.
fat. What's this? Chief. Mix the two.
What you making with it?
More of this than this though. Huh?
What you making with it? Like what size and everything?
Beans and rice and cabbage.
Oh yeah.
I will make some coconut, but I don't got enough flour.
We got kidney beans. Got some jasmine rice. Okay. That's the good rice right there. Oh yeah, and introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Shakira. Also known as Special.
Oh yeah, and
Call me Shakira though.
tell them the news that that's coming soon. Well, the big event.
Well, I better get married.
Yeah.
Yeah, I better get married, you guys.
Yeah.
I better get married, you guys. I don't have a ring one because I'm cooking. But yeah. Butter up your veggies. Why did Joy sound like that? It sounds like a beach ball.
Yeah.
You don't need the whole pepper.
So how did you start cooking? Like, who showed you how to cook in your family?
I've been cooking since I was. How was my grandmother? I want to say 6. My grandma told me how to fried chicken. That was the first thing I learned how to make. But my grandma was a chef, so it's kind of like in the being. Some of my family don't know how to cook. We won't say no names, but you know.
Yeah.
That's how black people season food.
What seasoning is that?
This is McCormick rotisserie chicken seasoning.
Oh yeah, that's that good stuff.
Then you got the Montreal chicken. Season with your heart, with your heart, with your heart.
Yeah, this for that curry. It need to have some type of flavor.
And then you got all purpose. I already put the black pepper in there.
Tell me who God is to you. Like, who is God to you?
It's hard to answer that question without being typical. Like, everybody be like, yeah, he my everything and all that other stuff, but I would probably use a friend. Is my explanation of him. My definition of a friend is somebody that you can actually go to, you know, that don't judge you, see you for who you is, where you at, accept you for who you are, and that's what God is. I can't find the boxes.
And how has he impacted your life? Like, tell me something that he's done in recent time that impacted you.
Wait, I need time to think about that.
Share more about this.
See this? This is glory. So as we conclude my first episode of Kingdom Kitchen, I want to dedicate this meal, this curry chicken, to a Bible verse. Psalms 23, verse 6, and it reads, "Surely goodness and mercy shall follow all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." So when you see this curry chicken, just remember, all the days of your life, the Lord will be by your side. The Lord will be in your life. So stay encouraged, eat good, and enjoy this glory. It's your boy Darius from Baltimore, and I'm out.